Hi, my name is Bob Stearns. I'm one of the partners with the law firm of Stearns and Coppins in Warren, Michigan. I'm here today to talk to you about estate planning and how to avoid probate. A lot of people think that if they just do a will, that'll be enough to avoid probate. As a matter of fact, it's the opposite. It pretty much guarantees that you're going to have to go to probate. Because all a will is an instruction to the judge on how to distribute your assets. The better way to do that, if you want to avoid court, is to set up what's called a trust. The way you do that is a revocable trust, where you set it up, and all it is basically you're creating a legal fiction which acts as another person that essentially holds your money. So you deposit all of your assets into the trust, and then it holds those assets for your benefit, and you can withdraw them anytime, because when you set up one of these, you act as the trustee. So again, you can withdraw any asset you want at any time, dispose of the property however you want. The advantage to that is that when you die, your assets remain the property of the trust, so there's no change in ownership. It continues past your death. At that point, what usually happens is the successor trustee distributes the assets according to your wishes, and that's also set up in the trust. Now, usually a trust is enough to avoid having to have your assets probated. Further security for that would be to have drawn up what's called a pour-over will, which essentially what happens with a pour-over will is if I set up a trust and I forget I have certain stocks that were left to me, or if I win the lottery and I'm coming out of the building after cashing in the winning ticket, and I'm distracted about how I'm going to spend all my money, and I get hit by a bus. Now, in that situation, I haven't had the chance to transfer ownership of those winnings to the trust. And so what a pour-over will does is, in those cases, just leaves those assets to the trust to be deposited into the trust, and then the distribution of assets will proceed normally. So that's how you avoid probate. And if you'd like to discuss it further, please give us a call at 586-751-0700. We answer our phones 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Or you can contact us by our website, which is at www.scmilaw.com. Thank you.